Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can make anime with a new feature called Niji in MidJourney. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so here I am in MidJourney in Discord. So what I can do here is I can join a server. Say for example, I am going to join this one here. Alright, so here all you have to do is type in your prompt. You can start with /imagine, and then you can write here what picture you would want. So here I'm gonna write a cute cat, and to get Niji you can just add /Niji and hit enter. Okay, so right here we have an anime cat. So if you did not put Niji in the end of our prompt, MidJourney is just going to give you a normal AI generated cat. Alright, so that is how you can use the new feature Niji in MidJourney. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.